Suntex offers 4 kinds of fire resistance fabrics for the duct connectors needs: silicone-coated fiberglass fabric, polyurethane-coated fiberglass fabric, neoprene-coated fiberglass fabric, and Halpalon-coated fiberglass fabric. The silicone and polyurethane-coated fiberglass fabrics have excellent properties of high tensile and break strength, abrasion resistance, fire resistance. The neoprene and Halpalon-coated fiberglass fabric have excellent properties of oil and grease resistance, ozone resistance, and weatherproof.